Good morning.
Good morning.
We are in the Gorge, the beautiful Columbia River Gorge.
Blue sky. Woo!
It's beautiful, it's cold, it's awesome. We're currently heading south on the PCT. We're going to Mexico, so let's go.
No, that's next week.
Oh, yeah. We are going to Mexico, but we're flying next week. Anyway. We are on the... Where are we at?
I don't know. We're on a trail. I think we're going to Dry Creek Falls.
Dry Creek Falls. There you go.
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're gonna go. It's not dry though. There's a waterfall.
Oh, excellent.
Shh. Oh.
So, yeah. So, yeah, just 2 miles up, 2 miles back, something like that.
Yep. Some snow, mud, lots of mud.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, but birthday hike.
Yep. Happy birthday, Marisa.
Yay.
I love you.
I love you too. All right, let's do this.
Let's go. That was a close one. Here you go, man. Hey. Hey, bro. Oh, yeah. High five. Update, about halfway, something like that through. Not bad. Easy incline, a lot of forest, some snow, a lot of charred remains of like a little fire. Other than that, pretty cool. So, up, 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 let's go. Ah. So dramatic. I see it! We see it! That was cool.
That was
People.
so cool.
Yeah.
So pretty.
Yeah.
But you know, kind of people, of course. typical.
It's beautiful.
Typical Gorge.
Yeah. All right.
But very pretty. Now it's time to
Head back.
head back and go get some beer scissors.
Sure. Why not?
Yay!
That's what we do.
I see Washington.
And we're back.
Yay!
Good job.
Good job. We're back. Yeah. Hi.
Oh, hey.
Hey. Well, that was our wonderful adventure for the day.
Yeah.
That was cool. Had a good time.
Yeah.
Saw some waterfalls.
Love the gorge. I think we're gonna do a couple more hikes out here this week.
This week.
I wish.
I wish
This
to.
year.
This year.
So,
We're gonna try to do some maybe day hikes during the week, and we can get some time off, so that way we don't have to run into like a ton of people.
and dogs.
That's the one downfall about hiking in the gorge on a nice day in the on the weekend is there is a ton of people and dogs. So, but we had a great time.
Yep. Off to some beers.
Off to go meet up with our friends, go have some more birthday bear celebration, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Deuces.